A few more thread inlay techniques today. So for this blue, I want to do a single, and so I'm just going to push my vein thread around to the side, wrap this around, and then keep on trucking. So to keep that back knot really clean, you really have to pull up really hard to get it to stay there. I'm also going to be doing a metallic olive branch. Basically all of this is finishing off the rest of the weave yesterday. I'm not going to spend as much time on the olive branch part because I went through it yesterday. But this one I'm going to do a single thread inlay in the middle and then reverse it back out. Typically how I've seen it done majority of the time in the past. And then same thing, pull it out from underneath the other one and reverse it around. Metallic is tricky. Try to find a good metallic. This metallic and the red and the blue I'm using is from Pro Wrap, and I was actually very, very happy with it. At the end of this, I'm also going to be putting in 3 bands of red and black to signify his ranking. And basically it's the same thing. Push your main thread to the side, wrap it around 5 times, and then pull it up. And with this technique, when you start doing more than 1 or 2, just slowly pack it. If you get one that crosses, take one of your packing tools and just kind of pull it off the other one and just keep on going. And it works every single time. I was super happy when I finally figured out how to do this. When you cut your tag off, make sure you pull them really, really tight to open up an air or a gap. And then if you have one that sticks out, just push it back and forth. So this is what we ended up with, but I do have one more little detail that I'm going to add to this, so stay tuned for that video coming up.